So I'm going to show you how to register for classes and how to add drop them so that you can do it through the student information system. You're going to want to log on to mydtcc.edu. Once you're on this landing screen, click on the student information system, and then you'll go to your student profile. This is going to pull up my information. Your information should be here. You could go to registration and planning, and then if you want to drop a class, just go to register or drop classes. Select student if this comes up. Pick the term for registration, so we're looking at summer 2019. Type in your student ID number and then hit continue. And once you do that, you can, it shouldn't ask you for your password, but if it does, go ahead and put in there, hit continue, and then you can drop a class from this point and add a class. I'm going to go back to the registration. I'm just going to show you how you can browse classes too. So if you need to find a class for the summer semester that you'd like to take or the fall semester, you just pick summer 2019 or fall 2019 and hit continue. And then in the subject, if you know you want English class, type English. If you know it's English 101, type in 101. You can even pick campus, and then you can search. And it will show you all the classes that are available. This is for the summer semester. Within this box, this window here, it's also going to show you what days of the week the class runs. And if you click on the class itself, you can get more information. So the meeting times, you can see the date that it starts. So this one started May 20th, and you can see when it ends and what room it meets in. Okay, so if you're looking for a class, make sure that for the summer, make sure it hasn't started already. And if you're looking for a class for the fall, you can just look by doing the steps I just showed you. If you see this full box here, it means that there's already at maximum capacity and you can't enter into that class. I hope that helps.